Home is where Vinyasa is, but I swear Cody was very close to get rich off of a spin-off from that very saying, if we could remember it. And as it's getting closer to Labor Day weekend, our home is about to move south pretty soon, and Millie's first overnight passage with it. Summer in Sag Harbor is coming to an end, and Cody's work schedule is opening up slowly as we enjoy some fun days before we get too occupied looking for weather windows. Tumbleweed Tuesday comes with celebration for charter crew, and moving our boat over to raft up with friends and colleagues, we finally get a small taste of what weekends can feel like for most other people. It's time to get an afternoon and a night off for Cody, and for our family to learn how to spend time together again.
Cody is off to work and I'm having chore day, which means we have to occupy Millie a little bit. We've been outside, but it's too hot. We don't have a bimini. I'm doing laundry, trying to get through everything and trying to also put things away. So that is the biggest thing. We have too much stuff and it's sort of overwhelming me right now. I don't really like to have too much. So I'm trying to clear out and fresh start, fresh season. Fall is coming, it's almost September. People! Yeah, it's actually funny thinking that you have too much stuff when you live on a boat. My wardrobe is probably like a fraction of everybody else's. You don't need that much. All right, time to get to it. I'm also editing in between all of this and trying to get episodes out. It's been not going very well recently. Can't wait to get Bimini back up and go cruising in a few weeks, actually, or at least move the boat south. You ready? Oh, don't look sad. Help it. Yep, story of our lives. All right, let's get to it a little bit.
I'm Therese, and this is Cody. After meeting in Fiji, we decided to continue living our lives together. With a love for the ocean, we upgraded and combined our shelters to a 40-foot sailboat and started exploring our options. While working, fighting, loving each other, and dreaming, we also managed to make a human. This is Millie Breeze, our little girl we hope to teach that life is simple if you let it. Subscribe and join us with the world at our keel.
We're sailing the boat.
What's going on?
I don't know, go check it out. But it's getting closer, right? From where it started. It's just taking a long time because I'm going very, very slow.
Well, that's good.
And I have yet to succeed. Okay, so, Dad. Pretty sure today is the first day she said, Dad. All right, so sweet. So the back of the boat right now, where are we going? Hopefully you can't tell that this all is brand new. So I basically replaced the entire transom. G10 backing plate here. Time to get the bimini up, I think. What are you doing?
Sorry, it's just all I had today was breakfast. And I'm so hungry. But my kid is sleeping. And I don't want to cook and wake her up. Because she's terrified of like cutlery noises. And like pots and pans for some reason. Ooh. Actually, this is the first day, or first time I've ever accomplished walking out of the room, listen to her scream, and then her putting herself to bed. Like basically she fell asleep and out-screamed herself, which it pains me to do so, but I guess every parent has to do it.
It had to happen. She was like already doing that within 5 minutes of us leaving.
It wasn't that long.
For
It really
20
wasn't.
times we came back. And then I was like, all right, just gotta leave her.
I just really wanted to be a part of this moment where Cody put this rail on. Then I just realized that, you know, he already put this on without even filming it. Beautiful though. New sunset.
As the new push pit revealed itself behind tape and foam wrapping, we finally saw an end to the project and light in the end of the tunnel. We were getting so close to being ready to sail south.
Well, we're back. We're back up and running again. This will be nice.
Are you new toy?
Gonna check out what it's
Feeling
gonna
good
look
in the
like.
shade?
Therese,
Yeah.
check out what it's gonna look like
So, this is where we're going for here on the other side.
on the SS Vinyasa. Oh, it's so close to level. What is level on a boat, anyways? It's just a bubble of air floating in a little tiny tube.
Alright, good morning! Today is, what day is today? Friday, and we hope to go south soon, which means we are getting ready for passage, which also means we have a lot of stuff to do. But one of those things has been waiting on this thing. Yeah, did you see that? This thing. We have a new camera officially, which the focus is incredible. We also have another, we have a bunch of new stuff, which makes us, I don't know why we did that. Basically, we have got a new sail, which we're gonna show you here in a little bit.
Our other new toys.
Now our parents are gonna be very happy about this.
Yeah, everybody can communicate with us while we're offshore this time. Usually we've just been hopping down the coast with like a couple days going south, and then we did like, I think 4 days most in a row coming north. So we had weather predictions and everything, but we want the option to be able to keep running offshore and get weather updates while we're out there.
And we're gonna put this boat back together, which has been a mess for forever, and which has made it not that fun to film around here because it's just, yeah, everything is out. So anyway, stay tuned. And also, our footage hopefully will be way better going down south on our passage with this new camera. I know equipment is not everything, but it's a little bit. And Millie's sleeping. So we're gonna try to be quiet about it.
Yes, we're putting up the sail.
With a new camera in hand, yet to be fully explored, we finished off the stern project enough to put the boat back together. Or so we thought, but more on that later. So as we slowly got the last packages in the mail, we realized our window might approach sooner than we thought. I think we were both so excited to start a new chapter that we kind of made everything work well enough to leave, instead of actually going through every detail and polish every single last piece of metal. We were craving family time, craving time at sea, craving snacking for days, and learning how to deal with Millie on passage.
Alright, that is exciting. We officially got ourselves a Code C sail. It's a pretty lightweight, light wind sail. It's gonna make this journey way more fun. We have obsessed about not being able to go downwind very well, and this will possibly change that. Dun, da, da, da. This is our new furler, a continuous furler thing that goes on the sail, which makes it easy to use. Isn't these neat little bags? Yeah, attach this. This is the continuous line furler. This goes on the front of the bowsprit or whatever you're putting it, and then you hoist it up the mast with this attachment right here. That is pretty neat. Even with the right tools, that was actually kind of hard. I don't know, we bought a pretty expensive furling line, so maybe the line is just too, fast, to where it was really hard to pull things through, but I'm, almost done. It's just the last, pulling of the outer shell here to make these disappear. I just don't want to cut them too short, so I'm still, working it. Same on the other side, almost covered. And then, these are the three. This is where the lines are intertwined and twisted in together and all that stuff. Could probably be prettier, tighter, I don't know, but I don't know. This is the best I can do. So for our new sails, end-to-end splicing, and yeah.
You know what you're not to do? You are. Dude, I can't wait to have this entire boat just back in order for Therese's mess.
Can't wait.
Therese's shitty mess.
Really.
I've been working nonstop to get this boat kind of ready, and she just pulled another thing out. As soon as I'm getting done.
I saw a thing yesterday for zodiac signs, and different trays of them. And it wasn't Pisces, so it wasn't me. But one said, "It's funny how I think that when my room's perfectly clean, my whole life is organized." I'm like, that's exactly how I feel. I know that's not my sign, but that's exactly how I feel. I have a clean house. I feel like my life is in order.
I feel like I need a pair of crescent wrench from yesterday. Where's it at?
You got toothpaste over on your mouth. You also got very curly hair. Did you know that? It's like so curly.
This is my new dance moves.
You could almost, if you think about it being a toupee, is very funny.
It could be. This could really not be my real hair.
Maybe it's
and
not.
I'm undercover
Maybe you are.
as Sean Connery.
Alright, so davits are back on. The last piece of the puzzle will be to put solar panels on it. So they're currently here and they're gonna go here. So it is Project Solar Panel on davits. And this has been like sort of a long time coming, trying to figure this out, because we needed some tubing that would be able to attach something to attach to the solar panels. And basically we ordered some parts that, like, all of our parts did not go together, so it was very annoying to even film or do anything with. But now we do have, I think, the right solution. So we're going to show you here in a bit. The problem was that buying tubing, not from like a manufacturer that did it right, because we didn't have time and we didn't plan it really, was that all the tubing we could get was only about 6 feet long, and we need it to be 7. That is basically it. So we need an extension. So now what we're going to do, we have a smaller tubing to thread inside of the bigger tubing to hold it in place, and we're going to mount everything on there, and I'm going to show you in a bit. Are you ready to go in a passage? Yeah! Yeah! Right! Got solar. Picking up anchor. And basically just leaving this place. I'm so ready to get a new energy into my system that we're just gonna do the rest underway, do like a short little jump right now, get into another anchorage, and then just clean up a little bit more underway. We've done, yeah. Probably not how you want to start a passage really. So we're just basically gonna do one jump. Where's the off button on this thing? There.
You got the wine.